अनर्पितचरिं चिरात् करुणयावतीर्णः कलौ समर्पयितुं नतोज्ज्वलरसां सवतिः श्रियां हरिः पुरटसुन्दरद्युतिकदम्बसन्दीपितौ सदा हृदयस्पन्दरी स्फुरति नमो आगम निगम सारो सृष्टि संहारकारो वयसि नवक्षोरो नित्य वृंदावनस्थौ समन भय विनाशो पापी निस्तारयन्तौ भज भजतु मम वेदाधिका कृष्णचन्द्रो नीलाचल निवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्र सुभद्राभ्यां जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। कमादिदेव करुणानिधानं तमालवर्णं सुविदावतारं अपार संसार समुद्र सेतुं भजामहे भागवतं। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे राम राम राम। First of all, I offer my respectful obeisances to His Divine Grace, Nitya Leela Pravistam Vishnu Parashtu Parasapasta Prabhu Goswami Maharaj, and all our Siksha Guru, Paramahansa Vaishnava Vrinda, and our Parama Guru Deva Nitya Leela Prabhu Prabhupada, all our Acharyas, Parampara Acharyas. They bless us by their causeless mercy, and I respect and love to all our devotees and friends who are participating in the Facebook Live and the Zoom meeting. All devotees are there. So this is our good time to have Shravana Kirtan and Bhagavata Dharma. We discussed from 11th canto. We will continue today. We discussed before this Bhagavata Dharma, Bhakti Dharma. First, free from fear. Fear means mostly death. Everybody have fear. Then another is the Supreme Lord, the Super Soul. He also becomes controlled by the devotees, by the devotion, by love. Devotion means love, this transcendental love. In this way, this both, one is free from death, free from fear. Another is the Supreme Lord. He become controlled by this devotion. Among these two, there are many other points also there, steps there. Gradually, death means we free from all kind of suffering in this material world, mentally and physically. According to our karma, we suffer by different way, but by the practice of bhakti, we will be free from this problem. In Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Srila Rupa Goswami, first he explained the glories of bhakti. Klesha Agni Subhada Mukhya Labhuta Krutu Sudurlava Sandrananda Visheshatma Sri Krishna Karshini Chasa. This bhakti, what she can give us. So Klesha Agni means all kinds of suffering. Our prarabdha karma, aprarabdha and avidya, all will finish by bhakti. All kind of auspiciousness will come. Shubhada. Everybody in this world, demigods, even demons, all creatures, everyone, they love to devotees because devotees are always non-violence, respect to everyone, and don't demand any respect. They are always humble. They help to others. The Supreme Lord is in their heart. So everybody they love, like Prahlad Maharaj and others. Everyone they love to him. Jagata Prinanam. And liberation, moksha, also become lagu. Moksha lagutakur. Become inferior. The liberation. Everybody they like liberation. This is the most ultimate benefit for human life. In other philosophy they say dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Moksha means liberation, free from this material world. But this bhakti will minimize to moksha. The devotees, they don't want also get mukti except his bhakti. This bhakti is mahad, glory shapu bhakti. Mokshata lagutta krutu sudurlava. This is very rare to attain this bhakti, prema bhakti. Bhakti means there are many standards of bhakti. But this bhava bhakti and prema bhakti, this is most rare. Even liberated souls, muktanam api siddhanam, narayana parayana, sudurlabha prasantatma, kudiswapi mahamuni. Among liberated souls, siddhas who are living in superior planet, among them millions also who are this real prema bhakti, bhava bhakti who has, they are also very rare to get sudurlabha prasantatma. And then Sandrananda Visheshatma, our soul, this transcendental happiness, this rasas, Sandrananda. Sandrananda means Ananda. Ananda means this transcendental pleasure. Sandrananda means Ghanibhuta, condensed. Condensed this Ananda, just like sugarcane. The sugarcane seed, sugarcane, then sugarcane juice, then sugarcane juice. Again, they make to like molasses. Then it becomes sugar, then it becomes sugar candy. So sugar candy, one little small piece, if you put in your mouth, you are enjoying the juice half an hour, 1 hour. Same sugar comes from the sugar cane juice. Sugar cane juice, if we drink 1 glass or 2 glass, maybe finished, but it becomes condensed. So like sugar candy. Same example, Sandrananda Visheshatma, our soul inside became so happy by Krishna's bhakti, so no one can equal to him. Another is Sri Krishna Karshini Chosa. This bhakti, no need to go to Krishna. Krishna will attract, Krishna will come there. This is the glorious of bhakti. You no need to go, Krishna will come to you. And he come and he will stay in your heart. If you want to, oh, Krishna, go out from my heart, he will never leave your heart. Like gopis, they wanted to forget Krishna. We don't want to Krishna. There are many leelas also there. They don't want to, even Radharani became angry. So divine angry. So she does not want to even see to black color. And she does not want to hear the name. But Krishna never go out from their heart. Like in Gopi Gita, after Ras Leela, Krishna disappeared there. Then gopis, they are searching to him. They are going to one forest to another forest. They searching that they never get him, never find him. Then after they met with Radharani, they come together in Yamuna and they sit there, then started to Gopi Gita. When they started singing the Gopi Gita, then Krishna appeared there inside them in the middle. Tasama Viragu Shauri, Swayang Man Mukhambuja, Pritambara Dhara Sargbi, Sakhyat Manmatha Manmatha. Sakhyat Manmatha Manmatha. Among them, he appeared there. Madana Mohan is Pitambara is with garlands and his yellow silken cloth. He appeared there. This is the power of bhakti, prem bhakti. Krishna cannot stay in his own abode. In Vrindavan, Vaikuntha and Goloka, he come to the devotees. Himself Krishna told, Nahang Vasami Vaikunthe Yoginang Kudaye Nacha Madhavaktaha Jatra Gayanti Tatra Tishtami Narada. Oh Narada, I can't stay in my place in spiritual abode, the Vaikuntha, and I cannot stay also in the yogis. They meditate in their heart, I can't stay there. But where my devotees, they discuss and they sing glorification and they chant my name, I always stay there in their heart, inside he stay there. Whose heart is pure, no other this material anarthas there. Krishna like to stay there, come and stay there. If you go Krishna, he will never leave the heart. This is the bhaktis, prema bhaktis, suddha bhakti, so the glorification. So this is two, this Bhagavata Dharma, first free from death like bhaya, and another is Krishna controlled by this bhakti. Among these two, from material suffering by the time, by the kala, which is death, and bhaya, every creature they fear. From there are many discussions. We can bring whole universe, everything is inside there with these 2 points. Free from the bhaya and also controlled to Krishna, the Supreme Lord. Here, just essentially, he told, Vayang Ditya Vinivesatah Syat Isat Vimukhat Viparjayo Smruti Isat Apetyasya Viparjayo Smruti Tanmayayato Buddha Bhajitang Bhakti Kaisham Guru Devatatma. We discussed this verse, and yesterday, Avidyamanopi Abhavati Dvayo Dhyatu Dhyang Swapne Manorathang Jatha Tatkarma Sankalpa Vikalpako Mano Tato Nirundhyat Tato Abhayam Tatahasyat. Yesterday, this verse we discussed half. Here he has given this example, analogy with our experience. Everybody have experience about dream. How this dream come to us. when we see dream, our eyes are not there, eyes are closed, body is closed, and we already in a sleeping state. But there we saw dream, many things we saw there. So what we see and how we see, both are not exist. Our eyes are not there, and what we see, oh, thousands of people there, big festival going on, we are eating and drinking and doing that, but nothing is there. There is no the objective, and there is no the instrument by eyes. What we see, there is no eyes, and there is no nothing there. But how we see this, how we hear, how we eat, how we do activities, all this is same, equal, like this Maya. Dhatur dhyan manoratha sapalasa. Dhatu edangdhiya, with intelligence, with the mind, what we see and how we see, both are not exist in a dream. Same, when we see dream, that time dream was a truth. There is no this body, this house, this family, this society, all this what is there, this was nothing there. This is false. This world is like darkness. This is no connection with this world. And when we go to sleep, and we see dream is truth. When we again wake up, come to again bodily conscious, then dream is false. So dream is false there when we come to bodily concept. When we go to dreaming state, body is false. See, this both, dvayoho, this both are same, equal, the activities of this Maya. To understand, he has given this, what is Krishna's Maya and what is Krishna. This Krishna's nature, the Maya, this illusory energy, like that. Like dreaming, in sleeping state, and when we wake up with the body, we also many desires. We have many desires. By desires, with our mind, we also thinking many things. Oh, maybe I will have one house. We saw somewhere, I want this like one house, or I want like one dress, I want like one ornament, or anything. Our minds thinking and desires. Then when we have desire, then we, with the mind, we think. And with, oh, this house will be like this. My room will be like this. My dressing room like this. My common room like this. My kitchen like this. My everything we create with our mind. And I will be like this. I have this standard. And I become more enjoyer than others. This is mental. Mind always thinking this. I will do some business. I will get some money. I will get like this. I become my better life. All this speculation comes to the mind. Desires come to the mind. And just like a dream. Then Tatkarma Sankalpa Vikalpako Manoha. This minds, which is actually Sankalpa and Vikalpa, promise, project, and reject. One thing I will do, and another thing I will not do. One project, one reject. This is the nature of the mind, always there. Dvayoho. When we have this both, I will do, I will not do, I have proposed this project and reject with everything, with our body, with the family, with business, with society, with our position, with our everything in this world, with this both. This, the nature of the mind, character of the mind, project and reject, one should come out. Tato nirundhya, tatkarma sankalpa vikalpa ko manaha, buddho nirundhyat abhayam tatah syat. Buddha means one realized person, an intelligent person who understands what is the soul and mind and body and all these senses and sense activities, sensual activities, who knows this knowledge, this science. Buddha, what he will do? Nirundhyat. From the mind, when it comes this sankalpa, desires, one must stop there. Beginning, we stop there. The main switch. Oh, this is not real. This is not truth. This is temporary. This is not actually with the soul. This is like a dream. In this way, by our intelligence and knowledge, we stop there. We off there in mental. Then there will be no problem. There will be no problem. If we desire, then we are running to get this. We work and we suffer for that. But when we free from these desires, we control from the creates the root cause, main switch. If we off, then there will be no problem. No abhayam tatah syat. Because of this, that is main, the root, the seed, how it creates the suffering, this mental by the mind with the intelligence and ego. Then here told nirundhyat. Nirundhyat means one should control there. Nirunda. Don't allow mind to create desires, projects. Okay, mind is always like a child, you know. Want something, reject something, again want something, again reject the. It's never satisfy and always create a new and never satisfy with these material things. So what happen? Think to Krishna. Oh, this is Maya, this is like a dream. Then think to Krishna. And with the soul, this beautiful, his creation, universal, how Krishna is created and he maintaining, how is many his pastimes, and how we are here, we should see with our Divya Chakshu, divine eyes, spiritual eyes, and our mind will not disturb by this material nature. This material nature have many attraction. Most attraction is male attracted to female. This is the most attraction in this world. Then other attraction for house, for vehicle, or prestige, for anything more there. And then all these problems comes. One can maintain his family, his business, his society. He can love to everyone, respect everyone, and do all activities, but internally or skip with his soul and the super soul, what is real truth beyond birth and death. This mental and this intellectual, sensual, this bodily concept, bodily, this activities, we have to act. We have to do it. We cannot stay without work. We can do anything with no problem. But we should control and think to Krishna, who is really behind this creation. He is very secretly staying there. Just like one example is given. Fire, how exists in the wood. Wood is what is wood? Wood is form of fire. If somebody put fire, contact with the fire, the wood, fire come out, smoke go away, and fire come out. Fire which the heat and burning, the fire flame come out. When come out fire, there will be no more wood. Wood has become ashes. Same how wood is, fire is existing in wood, and the butter how exists in the milk. Same how soul is existing in our body. Same Krishna also existing in the whole universe, whole creation. This is the mysteries of this creation. So, but we can realize this. Everybody have this realization. Everybody have faith. They have faith. They have realization about their soul, about God. Everything they feel, but they don't know how to be with Him, to know with Him practically, and they have no such clear vision to understand. This is the secret, most secret among all this creation in Bhagavatam told. So here, how to free from this Abhayam Tatah Shat, free from fear, because who has fear? One day we discuss fear for money, fear from beauty, fear from prestige, fear from always fear is there. Death, fear from death, fear from our relatives, our friends, our family. If somebody happens something, always fear there. So fear from all this material condition. Then what to do? If mind will not keep desire and thinking anything. So next verse, he told, Sunnun Subhadrani Rathanga Pane. Sunnun Subhadrani Rathanga Pane. Rathanga Pane. Rathanga means, Ratha means chariot, Anga means chakra, the disc. Whose Pano, which is Chakradhari, Krishna, Narayan, Vishnu. What he has done, his pastimes, his name, one should hear. First this is Srunan, Sravanam. First Sravanam. One should hear this. Sravanam. Sunan Shabad Subhadrani Rathanga Pane Janmani Karmani Chayani Loke Gitani Namani Tadarthakani Gayan Bilajo Vichareta Sangaha Sunan Subhadrani Rathanga Pane Janmani Karmani Chayani Loke Loke Asmini Loke means in this mortal planet. Here also, the Supreme Lord, he appeared here, took birth. Janmani, Karmani, and he performed many sweet, wonderful extraordinary activities. Karmani, Janmani, Karmani. He has no birth, no aja. He is aja. He created everything. Nobody created him. So his pastimes, activities, how he created this, how he created to Brahma, and Brahma created all. Then he created Vishnu and Shiva by Rajoguna, Sattoguna, and Tamoguna. Then many his Yuga Avatar, Manvantara Avatar, Shaktiavesh Avatar, how he expand himself to perform this Leela. We have to hear about him. First he told to control, to mind, with the senses, with the sense object, to not think this, not attracted to this. So if you're not attracted, what will do with the mind? No, mind, with the senses. First he told to hear. Surnan Subhadrani. Subhadrani. His katha, his glorification, his name, all are Subhadrani. The most auspicious, most best of our everyone. Destroy all our kind of our these anarthas, sinful activities, and same time brought all auspiciousness, all good qualities. Truth, we will be with the truth, we know to truth, and all happiness come, mind always go to know more and more and more. In this material world, if something we saw or something do, then we lose attraction. But here, how much they practice, how they hear, they never become distaste. They never lose their pleasure. Subhadrani, Surnam Subhadrani, Rathangapani means Krishna. Janmani, Karmani, Chavajani, Loke. Janmani, he has many janmas. Vamana janma, Nrsimha janma, Varaha janma, Sri Rama janma, Krishna janma. Many the Supreme Lord appear here to birth. There he is innumerable incarnations in Bhagavatam told. But important his pastimes is written there. Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavatam, Puranas, all is written there. So, Janmani, Karmani, what he has done, karma. Karma means activities. He has no karma. This is, we say, Leela. This is his Leela. Leela means like Natak. Nataka means like drama, like a movie. He is doing like drama. He is like an actor. He is a most hero in these three planets. He is the hero. Radharani is most heroine. No one can be like that. Everything in here. Krishna is the heroic activities. How he has done. He defeated to Indra. He took Govardhan one little finger and 7 days he had to keep, and all demigods they have come and surrender. Also he bewildered to Brahma, could not understand his pastimes. And he is so merciful, such witch, Putana, came to kill him with poison with her breasts and offer it to Krishna. But Krishna sucked her milk. Milk was not there actually. But she has all sinful activities from all lives, how much he has done, how much meat she has eaten, how much alcohol she has drunk, how much drugs she has taken. All these sinful activities there, Krishna circled everything, took her all sins. And what offered to him, offered to her? She gave her so love, divine, transcendental love, and like a mother. She gave this because actually she was a duplicitous. She with her duplicacy, she came, looks like, acting like a mother. She changed her body, very beautiful, like looks like a goddess Lakshmi, and she came very attractive with her maternal affection. She come and talk to Krishna and Lord, Lala, oh my, oh son, oh baby, how you are so beautiful, how you are. The Krishna was sleeping there. She closed her eyes, but she was just by Yoga Maya. She has taken and kissed it to Krishna and embraced and took him with her lap and offered her milk, breast. So Krishna accepted all this. And Krishna did not took her, these duplicious who came with violence, cruelty. How many children is she killed before? It's many she killed and she ate everyone. This was her food. Everybody to kill these children and drinking the blood and eating this flesh. Ashadhi. Always she was doing sinful, whole life is like that. But Krishna took her all sinful sins gathered with inside her body and her past life there. Then how purified her body became so pure, such divine aroma come from her body. When Nanda Maharaj and others, they cut pieces of her body and put in fire, then this aroma came from her body. So the demigods, they also come to smell such divine, this smell comes from her body. They don't understand where is maybe some fire sacrifice going on. They are offering ghee or some camphor or sandal paste or some scented. They think like that, but this was the Putana's body they burned. This is the proof of this Krishna's Leela. He took all her sinful activities, sins, same time she offered like mother. Dhatru Chitangati Tata, in the spiritual world, she got a beautiful goddess like Fortune, Lakshmi, like Gopi's body. In Bhagavatam, Leve Dhatru Chitangati Tatuanyam Kangbadayalung Saranam Brajema Aho Vakejam Stanakala Kutam Jighangsaya Paya Dadapya Sathi. How merciful, how compassion, how love the Supreme Lord has. She gave this spiritual body, beautiful body with her associate like mother. Krishna offered this body and sanctified to her, free from all sinful activity. There are thousands of examples like this. All demons whom he killed, like Aghasura came, he also entered Krishna's body. Everyone saw there. Or like the lightning, Aghasura's soul come out from his body, and when Krishna came out from his body, entered there inside. Shishupala also soul were like lightning entered to Krishna's body. All demons whom he killed, he gave him them liberation, his Vaikuntha planet, and he also offered service there. If someone came to kill him with her poison with breast, if Krishna gave her like a mother, really who are with love, who are servicing to Krishna and who love to Krishna, offer real breast and milk to him. So what will give Krishna to them? Brahma told, oh, Krishna, what you will give to them? You must give something more than that. What will you give? You became controlled by them. Just like Mother Yashoda, controlled Krishna. You want to tie him, he tied with the rope, with love rope. This is the Janmani, Karmani, Chodan, very, very beautiful. These stories, pastimes there, many, many incarnations there. We pass this time in this life, in our human body, hear, chant, remember, and do performing with the Kirtan, Sankirtan, glorify him together, congregational. Our Sankirtan, congregational chanting with Krishna's Leela, name is Nama Rupa Guna Leela. If we pass time this way, this is our sadhan, this is our practice. So if we do practice this gradually, we lose off our karma, past karma, material attraction there, and no more materially our senses and mind will attract for this suffering in this material world and for death. And simultaneously, we increase, we grow our bhakti to Krishna. And we will continue next verse and next this verse to tomorrow. Now already time. I am giving 2 classes. Again another class in Odia language in 8:30 p.m. That is so many devotees, they are also here. So 45 minutes we give in English, another 45 minutes in Odia language we will give. So we will continue these verses, very beautiful verses, and all our philosophy and all our teachings, just like essence in this discussion there. So we will go to discuss one by another. Now we have no activities to move or traveling any place because of coronavirus. So we stay and we enjoy this Krishna Katha. This is best benefit for us. And this virus is actually aggressive, and now everywhere it is increasing, and it is invisible. Nobody we can't see this, but we saw many people die, and all scientists, all the doctors, all these engineers, all big people, they all surrendered to this coronavirus. No one can do anything, and they cannot. They all nuclear weapons, atom weapons. All weapons now become useless. They cannot kill this virus, and whole world now suffering. So we have no problem. What comes according to karma, we accept this and we follow. If we maintain our purity, we take prasadam, and with our fresh mind, fresh body, fresh soul, there is no place to enter this virus. If we have stress, we have some impurity, and we have some weakness, no immune power, then he will go enter and occupy our body and our heart and everything. Well, if then we keep to Krishna, then they will go like everything go out. So no need to fear, but we need to remember Krishna and always happy, always keep mind pleasure. That is most essential. Our health for mind. If mind is happy, then all our blood cells, nervous system, and our physical all systems will be most pure and active and full of immune power. And mind have power. If the mind is our positive, we can destroy many viruses. It cannot, no one can enter because the mind is most powerful there. But we need to mind with our happy, not to distress, not to fear, not to I am crying, this, that, then they will enter there. So never cry. This is also one we discuss about the fear. Here they are crying, so no need to cry, no need to take any kind of impure food or drugs or any alcohol, anything who are taking this is mostly tamasic, means the ignorance, this nature of this virus that it attack them. So thanks to all. We will again meet tomorrow. Now we will take rest. Pancha kalapataru gacchakripa sindhuvekha patitanang pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Ho.
जय शिला भक्ति विचार विष्णु गोस्वामी महाराज की जय.
Come. This is Govinda Prabhu.
जय गुरु. And that was there.
Haribol, Madhava Lalita.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai. Haribol. Adhaksha Prabhu. Haribol.
Sadhu Maharaj.
Jai Sadhu Maharaj ki jai.
Dandavad Maharaj. Very nice katha. This is
Yes.
life-giving.
You are sadhu present, so all will become sadhu. Sweet.
Only name, Maharaj.
Okay. Good.
Krishna Jiva Nama Prema Indupati Prabhu.
Haribol.
Jai Maharaj.
Also, Gaura Krishna with Maharaj is there.
This is the you
Yes.
are in their house.
Wife of Prema Vardhana Prabhu from Colombia.
Yes.
From Pereira, Colombia. Radhika.
Yes. You think this is our daughter?
Many devotees. Jai Guru Maharaj.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hello, Hare
I
Krishna.
can tell something.
Jai Govinda Prabhu
Now
ki jai.
is ready the first class. Translate to Spanish in the Bhagavad Dharma WhatsApp group. If you can, please listen this kata in Spanish also and share it with your friends. So see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna Dandavad.
Dandavad, Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhu.
Jai Hare Krishna.
Dandavad.
Hare Krishna.
Everyone, Maharaj.
You come to front and stand and put on foot. Stay like announce.
Muy bien.